Asthma killing me, humidity killing me. I'm maybe a third of the way up the hill, and yeah, that side looks alright. Until you go around this side and you see the rain cloud that I'm walking into, and it's just starting to spit down. Don't care, and it's very windy. I'm fucked on better being stuck in the house. It's very pretty. Must not think about Russell Crowe being dead in Gladiator. Gladiator, then burped. Just a little break for a couple of minutes. I left it until 5 before leaving today, expecting a second delivery. Didn't arrive. Couldn't be asked waiting any longer, so stop it. And I'm sweating. At least it's not as bad as last week. Got cooked. And no book this time. Sod it. It's going to take at least 2.5 hours to get up there, because my legs and my knees are really screaming. And yeah, I think I dislocated my kneecap, or rather the metalwork has dislocated it. Fucking painful. So, gotta keep walking, gotta keep moving. Like Sil said 40, 50 years ago, if you don't keep moving, you get absorbed by the oneness.